In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow hashtags and comments with URL or links on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you had blocked any comments with links or hashtags, you can go ahead to enable this feature. It is pretty simple. Just head to YouTube Studio, and then from YouTube Studio, go ahead and click on Settings. Now from Settings, go ahead and look for this option called Community Moderation, and under it choose Content Controls. Now scroll down until you see Link Text option. Currently you can see it is checked, meaning all comments with hashtags and URLs are held for review. But should you want to allow comments with URL on your channel, just go ahead and uncheck this, then click on Save, and that setting will apply to all the comments that will be commented on your videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.